David, the next bear market's going to be the worst in my lifetime. We had a big bear market in 2008 because of too much debt. Since 2008, the debt everywhere has skyrocketed all over the world, all over the world. So it's going to be a huge bear market next time around. I'm not trying to scare people. I just want people to do their homework, figure out what's going on, and be prepared. Be sure you invest only in stocks that you know a lot about, but I would also suggest you start learning about other things because in the world economy, there are interest rates, bonds, there are commodities because we all need cotton and sugar and iron. There's not just, I mean, there's bonds, there's stocks, there's commodities, there's a lot of stuff going on. There's property. Please, it's not easy. I wish this were easy. Oh, David, I wish this were easy to get rich. But you and Jeff both know it's not easy getting rich.
That's right. That's right.
Jeff, I make plenty of mistakes. I make many mistakes. We could do a week of shows about my mistakes. So don't think I know what I'm doing. But I will say there's a lot of pessimism around right now, huge amounts of pessimism that often leads to a big rally. If something happens, such as peace in Ukraine or who knows what, it could lead to a huge rally. In my view, that would be the last rally. And I hope I am not sold short yet. I have not sold yet. But if that happens, then I would probably start selling and selling short. Well, I wish it were that easy, Jeff. We just all print money all day long. You know, the Bank of Japan guy goes to work and he says he prints his word, unlimited amounts of money. If that's all it's going to take, hooray, hooray, hooray. Won't it be wonderful? None of us ever have to work again. We never have to work. We just have to print money. It's not that easy, and it's not going to be that easy this time around. If they do just print money, inflation is going to get very, very serious. The currency markets are going to cave in, and interest rates are going to go through the roof. Yes, there will be times when interest rates will go down. The central banks around the world have that much power, but they cannot control it forever. And David, the more money you print, eventually, people like me say, wait a minute, I've been to this rodeo before. This is not my first rodeo. I know how this is going to end. And we know that in the end, interest rates are going to go through the roof if they could continue to print huge amounts of money and we have big inflation. I know how this will end. You don't have to believe me. Look it up. It's pretty simple. Well, first of all, Jeff, people should only invest in what they themselves know a lot about. They shouldn't listen to me or anybody else. Stay with what you know if you want to be successful. If you listen to me and something works, you don't know what to do. You don't know why you bought it. If it goes down, you don't know what to do because you don't know why you bought it. So please stay with what you know. I am convinced we're going to have a very serious recession in the foreseeable future. And if we do, you better know what you're doing because it's going to be bad.